Okay, what is up there, YouTube? This is J Man Time, and today I have yet another what if video game or video game concept idea for you all today. I guess I'll do a horror themed concept video game. Do many of you remember the 2007 horror movie The Mist, which is based on Stephen King's book by the same name, also known as The Mist? It was a cosmic horror movie about a mist that enveloped the small town of Brighton, Maine, and this mist contained a number of horrific creatures from a alternate dimension that was opened up by the US military in this film, and that mist will later go on to take over the entire town, and I assume many of the surrounding cities, unleashing an endless horde of Lovecraftian type creatures upon this town and the neighboring towns, which will later go on to massacre most of the population until the military eventually figured out how to combat the mist or how to close the portal for which the mist creatures were coming from. Now, that was one of my favorite horror movies of the mid 2000s. There was also a TV show adaptation of The Mist that came out back in the year of 2017. Now, what if there was a survival horror game based on The Mist, both the book, the TV show, and the movie, or the book, the movie, and the TV show? I've always wanted a horror video game based on this Stephen King book slash franchise, but it seems like no one has ever taken that concept and made it a reality. Now, this could be either a third person survival horror game, like for example Resident Evil, the Resident Evil franchise, where you shoot zombies and other mutated creatures, or it could be like a cross between Resident Evil and Silent Hill, since Silent Hill, another horror video game franchise, also has a mist element to it, but instead of dealing with supernatural demonic creatures, you'll be dealing with these otherworldly Lovecraftian creatures, or these monsters, these mist monsters. Or it could be a open world first person shooter set in the Mist universe, where similar to the Left 4 Dead series of first person survival horror zombie shooters, but instead of shooting zombies, you'll be shooting these mist monsters or combating these creatures from the mist. In terms of a campaign, there should be 4 separate campaigns. There should be a campaign where you play as an ordinary civilian, a citizen, as you combat the mist while in the town of Brighton, or maybe another town nearby, the setting for the original movie and book. Or there should also be a second campaign where you're playing as the military, as the military is one aspect of the Mist book, movie, and TV show that they really didn't touch on too much. It would be cool if you played as a soldier combating the Mist creatures, or at least trying to figure out how to close the portal for which these creatures are coming from, which these Mist slash creatures are coming from. There should also be a campaign where you play as a police officer or maybe a SWAT team member in the city or town of Brighton, or maybe another city for the setting, or maybe another town or city that wasn't shown, and you're battling the Mist monsters as a police officer. And that could be a kind of a callback to Resident Evil 1 and 2, as in that game you play as both police officers like Leon S. Kennedy, but you also had the special forces, for example the STARS, which are basically like the Resident Evil equivalent to SWAT, but this would be in the Mist universe, and you would be playing as a realistic version of SWAT rather than the Resident Evil fictional version of SWAT. And then the fourth and final campaign should have you playing as either a teenager or maybe as a kid. It has to be someone who is truly innocent and defenseless in this horrific nightmare. Now, there are several horror games I have played over the years where you did play as a kid slash teenager in a survival horror setting, and you could also have that in this hypothetical Mist video game. Either this third person shooter or this hypothetical first person shooter set in the Mist universe or in the world of Stephen King's The Mist. Again, I'm surprised that no one has ever taken this franchise or this book slash movie slash TV show and made a horror themed video game. It doesn't really have to be a third person shooter or a first person shooter. It could be really anything, really. But a third person or a first person shooter is what I would want. Or they could make a video game that is very similar to the Telltale series of Walking Dead video games that came out back in the early 2010s, early to late 2010s, for example. But yeah, this was a concept I had for many years. What if they were to make a third-person survival horror game, or a first-person survival horror first-person shooter game, or maybe even a Telltale-style survival horror game set during the events of Stephen King's The Mist, either the movie or the TV show, or maybe they could have some completely new characters. Maybe it's set in the same town or locations, but have completely new characters that we haven't seen at all. But it could be a very good concept for a horror game, as The Mist as itself is a very good setting for a survival horror video game in general, whether it be third person, first person, or a story driven game like The Walking Dead, for example. So, what do you all think of this? Please tell me in the comment section below. And until next time, this was J Man Time signing off.